Am I recording now? What? Did, silly me. Of course I'm recording. Why is it? Okay. What? No, 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 no. Don't tell me it's gonna be like this. Well, it's good enough. Guys, I actually am. I thought I was recording the other time, but I wasn't recording, and yeah, so this is why. Oh yeah, I just remembered I completed the game. Oh yeah. Oh. Well, I'm really sorry, guys. I I can't. Don't get mad at me, please. I kinda already started, 'cause I got carried away. Bunny, I'm going to eat ya. Yum. Yummy. Bunny. Okay, it said I was supposed to go home. I don't really want to go home. I want to hunt, and I want to see if I can catch a deer. So yeah, I'm just going to be quiet now. Is that a quail? It saw me. How did it see me when its back was turned? What? What am I stalking? Deer! Maybe. So we all are already halfway through. I need to be more, more observant. Dead. I miss my babies. One didn't know how to hunt for himself. Quill! Uh-oh. Well, honey. Hmm. Yummy to my tummy. Okay. The video is about almost over. Jeez, I need to end it soon. Hmm. Hmm? What's that? I wonder if I can do videos on my PlayStation. Right? Do we have deer? Elk, deer, I don't know. They could be elk. Oh, we got deer elks. I'm gonna have some deer elk tonight. Okay. First, we need to get the perfect angle. Perfect. They're just a perfect angle. Huh. We don't want the bunny. 1. I just remember I gotta pounce. Don't move. Okay, here I go. I hope that wasn't bad of a start. Don't you shoot me. I'll shoot you. Oh no, he juked me. There's no way I'm gonna get him now. Where is that? Yay! A deer elk tonight. Delicious. We got 4 more minutes to go. Bunny! Bunny, 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 bunny. Wow, I can see why you're dead now. You don't have the reflexes. You don't have the reflexes. So, where shall we go? I say we go. I don't know. Whoa! Okay, you almost ran us into that, lake. Last time I remember I got on here, water was, it was, a little. I think this is only my second time or third time being on the ice. Well, Sophia stuff is. They're crazy back there, trust me. They're just bonkers. Where should I go? First, I'm very thirsty. Mama Lynx is very thirsty. Or maybe like Mama anymore. I don't think that's how you're supposed to drink. No, it's not how you're supposed to drink. You are slightly drowning there. Yeah. What? Guys, they're recording. It's almost over. Sorry if it's only 15 minutes. It said I enabled the thingy where you can record more than 15 minutes, and look at that. That ain't 15 minutes. That ain't more than 15 minutes.